Alam niyo, hindi ko na maintindihan yung comments niyo kung compliment pa ba yan or what. Pero sige, maghanap na lang ulit tayo ng mali dito. A, B, C, or D, or walang mali. The report that he wrote was more thorough than the accounting manager, providing clear insights. 5 seconds. Correct answer, letter C, accounting manager. Kasi ito ay isa namang kaso ng faulty comparison. Kung i-analyze natin itong sentence na to, ano ba yung kinukumpara natin? Sabi, yung report na ginawa nung he ay mas thorough daw kesa sa accounting manager, so it doesn't make sense. Siguro, ang sinasabi niya dun sa report na ginawa ni accounting manager para pantay naman yung kinukompare natin. Kasi dito, report sa tao. Kaya para ma-fix tong error na to, gawin din nating report. Ang quick fix dito, lalagyan lang natin ng possessive ito. So, imbes na accounting manager, accounting manager's report. Para yung report na ginawa niya at yung report ni accounting manager, yun na yung pinagko-compare natin. Pwede rin naman, the report that he wrote was more thorough than the report written by the accounting manager. Anyway naman, basta hindi faulty yung comparison at grammatical pa rin yung structure.